What's up guys, welcome to a little trade recap from the suite. Today I'm going to talk about an Ethereum trade that I took on the hour 1, hour 4. It's the system that I teach in my one-on-one coaching, and I'm going to talk about the trade today. Let's hop into the chart and see what we have going on here. So on the Ethereum chart, and first of all we go on the hour 4 guys. I'm always looking for higher time frame confluence, and as you can see we put in this big leg on the hour 4 on the beginning of February, and since then market is bearish. So what does that tell me? I always trade with the trend. I never go against the trend guys, and hour 4 is bearish, and until we break the upside we are still bearish. So I am looking for shorts in the discount zone of this hour 4 leg. Then let's hop onto the hour 1 where I execute my trade. It was at the 16th of March when I said, okay, if this low breaks, I'm gonna look for shorts. Why is that? Because if I look at market structure with my valid 2 candle rule that I teach in my group, we have market structure looking somewhat like this. If you want to learn how to analyze market structure, hit me a DM as well on X or Instagram, and yeah, we'll have a little chat and we can get you going into the coaching. So market was bullish. As you can see, this was the last low that we had to break, and market broke it clean right here with 2 candle closes below. Very important, not only 1 but 2 candle closes below this low. That means we are shifting structure. At the same time, market puts in a higher high on the price, and on the RSI we put in a lower high. That means we have a valid RSI divergence going on as well, a bearish RSI divergence. And after the market structure shift, that's everything that I need. I just set the limit entry at the imbalance above. Stop loss is at the second to highest high that broke structure. So as you can see, this high broke structure. So I'm taking the second to highest high right here as an invalidation. This is my stop loss, and I just entered. And according to my phase 1 concepts of my video course, I'm taking profit at the low, at the second to lowest low of the last leg. So this is a clean low on this chart, and that was my take profit. After the market structure shift, I set the limit above. We got filled pretty quick, and this trade really took some patience out of me. But in the end, on the 30th of March, we wicked into the take profit. I even got filled a little bit lower, and that's actually the perfect trade for me. It's the system that I teach with all my one-on-one students. It's the hour 4, hour 1 crypto system that we use. It's very simple guys, it's very objective, and you can actually test it in the past. You can forward test it, then you can live test it, but we have a fixed process for that in the one-on-one. So if you're interested to take those trades as well on yourself without being reliable on any signals, then hit me up guys on X or on Instagram. The link is down below. You can send me a DM there and we can have a little chat, see if you're the right fit. So that was all there is to it, to this Ethereum trade guys. Hour 4 discount zone while being bearish. Hour 1 trigger, we shifted structure with a valid shift. We had an RSI divergence as well, and that's all there is to it guys. After that you just enter, you are patient with your trade, and you let the probabilities play out. Since this system will have a win rate of roughly 50%, half of the trades will go wrong and half of them will go right. With the right RR, that's perfect guys. And we learn that too. We learn to analyze data, and we work with a lot of data, and that's how we do it. So guys, if you learned something, then hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And if you want to join the one-on-one, if you want to join the group, then send me a DM on X or Instagram. Link is down below. And I will see you in the next trade recap. Peace out, guys.